So I'm going to use this beautiful Crème Gold to make my best ever creamy potato bake. Now the reason the Crème Gold is the perfect potato for this dish is because it's starchy, so it actually thickens up that cream as it cooks down. It also absorbs flavour really well. Peel and slice your potato into slices about this thick. We start with thickened cream and some milk, garlic and some fresh thyme. Season with salt and pepper. Now, the great thing about this potato dish is it takes a while to make, so you can make it well in advance. Get yourself a nice big heavy baking dish just like this one, a quick layer of potatoes on the bottom. No one's going to be seeing these bottom layers, so you can make them as fancy as you want, or you can just throw it down. Get yourself a handful of tasty cheese, so you can either use a vintage cheddar or Gruyère. Pour over a thin layer of that cream mixture. In between layers, kind of push down on those potatoes like that. Now the reason, of course, that you layer these potatoes with the cheese and the cream is so that it cooks nice and evenly, and when you cut through it later on, that cheese will be beautifully dispersed all the way through. As you get towards the top, you can start making these just a little prettier, knowing that these first couple of layers are the ones that people are going to see. 180 degrees for about an hour. Don't cover it, just straight in the oven. The potatoes are done. They've been in for just on an hour. Look at that gorgeousness. What would you serve this with? Anything. You could serve it with a piece of grilled fish. You could serve it with some roast beef. That's the great thing about potatoes. They make everything more delicious. For all of my best ever recipes, head to Coles' YouTube channel or coles.com.au and check out my best ever recipe playlist.